Hi Skinnies, so today in the kitchen we are cooking the Thermomix version of the Indian Curried Mince. You really do just start by chucking a few basic kind of spices in your machine. Curry powder, of course, we love our Malaysian curry powder. And we've got an onion and a little bit of olive oil. And we're going to chuck in a little splash of the coconut milk as well. Cook that for a few minutes. So now that that's done cooking away, we want to add our remaining coconut milk and a little bit of tomato paste, some brown sugar, just a real small amount for flavor, and some salt. And of course, the most important ingredient when it comes to Skinny Mix's cooking, which is our chicken stock concentrate. So we're just going to cook that for a further 5 minutes now. So the next thing we want to do is add in our chicken mince and our peas. Now what you want to do is you actually want to add this into the Thermi in large chunks, just a little bit of frozen peas, and you want to give it a real gentle stir through like that. You don't want to break up the chicken mince like I said. And now we're going to let that cook away for another 7 minutes. And so now we just add a tiny bit of corn flour to thicken it up a little bit. We give it a real gentle stir and we're going to cook it for a further 3 minutes and then it will be ready to go. It's that quick and that easy.